Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and I got a drone. And in traditional thrift store hacker style, it was cheap. So I got this, it's a YC006 2.4 gigahertz wireless remote controlled aircraft, quadcopter, and I picked it up for 23 bucks. So, I'm not expecting much out of it. It's got a 720p camera on the front of it here, and who knows? Let's test it out. See if it's any good. It says it has auto return, roll 360, so it does barrel rolls, 6-axis gyroscope, and app control. Oh, I got the remote control. Alright, well I guess the first thing we're going to need to do is pop open the accessories and charge this. 3.7 volt, 1.2 amp hour cell in here, 4.44 watt hour. Oh, also got a free screwdriver for taking the props on and off. Alright, let's get this on a charge. Indicator lamp here, so just let that charge. This is the first drone I have ever flown, folks, so we're going to crash it. I decided to take it out into the front yard and give it a small little test flight because I don't want to take it anywhere and zip it off into a park and hit somebody or something, so it's better to test it out in the yard first. But I managed to get it to land on the table here. And the takeoff after that wasn't too great because I didn't remember that I have rope light over the yard. So, fail. But it is pretty durable. I mean, I've crashed it 4 or 5 different times already, not from a great height, but it seems to be working out. And it's also got a really good 720p camera on it, which I'll show you here. Pretty clear if you're out in good light. But all in all, I would say this is just perfect for a little $25 drone, It does everything I wanted it to do. I can crash it and not feel too bad as if I crashed a $200 or $300 drone. But I'll figure out how to fly this one and probably upgrade. Well, that's all I have for you today. Until next time, build stuff, have fun, and be safe.